Hello, I'm Mommy San. I'm the mommy sa Daipa. Yung husband ko is, content creator. Si Daddy Jeff or DJ sa mga socials. I'm a proud mom of two kids. One is 3 years old and one is 1 year old. And I started as a call center agent. Yun talaga yung first job. And then, nag um, naging service desk representative and then saka ako bago naging software engineer. And then,
Hmm.
ayun, creator. Creator. Started my content creator journey is last 2023, December. Buntis ako noon. Buntis ako nun sa
Hmm.
sa bunso. And